Hello, my name is Blake McBride. I am the head of the company and chief architect of the Stack360 system. The Stack360 system is a web-based system that allows you to manage your services business with all of your data in one place, without all the exports and imports so often required when using spreadsheets, off-the-shelf software, and other silos of information. Stack360 is an ERP for the services industry. Our system does this in a uniquely flexible way, allowing you tight budget control while filling your distinctive needs. Please join me in discovering how Stack360 can make managing your company easier so you can concentrate on servicing your clients and growing your business. These represent the essential things you are tracking. Each of these things in some way or another relates to all of the other areas. You want to know things like, what is the status of each client? Are they happy or frustrated? What are your contacts at the company? What is their billing rate? In terms of projects, what projects do you have going on for each client? What are their statuses? What are their project details? What upcoming projects do they have? Who is assigned to each project? In terms of workers, what employees do you have? How long have they been with you? What are you paying them? When was their last raise? What is their vacation status? Which employees are the most profitable for you? In terms of billing, what billable hours have your employees worked for each project and client? All of this needs to be gathered, and an invoice to the client needs to be created. With respect to client prospecting, you are always trying to attract new clients. Who have you spoken to? What is their sales status? What conversations have already taken place? Which are the hot prospects? Also, let's not forget prospecting for new workers, better known as applicant tracking. All of these functions are interrelated. Without a unified system, you'd spend all day exporting and importing data and getting deeper into a mess. These are the principal ways most companies use to manage their company. These are often quite adequate to start with, but grow to become primary pain points in running your business. In what follows, we will explore these methods, their pain points, and possible solutions. Many of these off-the-shelf and online products are highly functional and cheap to use. They serve you well when your organization is a specific size. However, as you grow, problems arise. Since all of the data in your company is related, you must constantly transfer information from one system to another. Data in one system gets updated, and the systems don't agree, which is correct. The constant export-import process is becoming increasingly complex, and since it is a manual process, the data never seems to be in sync or up to date. You find yourself spending more and more time trying to manage all of these diverse systems. Errors are costly. Additionally, as these processes become increasingly complex, you become increasingly dependent on dwindling few individuals that understand the process. Your business is unique. Even if you are doing something ordinary, the way you do it and the needs of your particular clients causes your business to be unique. While run-of-the-mill software is excellent for run-of-the-mill companies, your business requires specific screens, fields, business logic, interfaces, and reporting unique to your particular business. And while off-the-shelf and online software is highly functional, they are what they are. If they don't do a particular thing you need, you'll have to find a way around it. As your company grows, these missing features cause your ability to manage your company to become increasingly difficult. Issues like this increasingly consume your attention and decrease your ability to service your clients. You find it increasingly difficult to focus on billable work. As these issues consume you, your ability to grow becomes increasingly hampered. Without a solution, you can see an upper bound to your growth. Here are the three predominant solutions. Each has its positives and negatives. Getting more off-the-shelf or online services is just more of the same problem. While they may help get you past a certain point, it is clear that it is only a short-term solution. You may have toyed with the idea of actually doing some in-house development. You may have been able to get past some immediate problems relatively easily. However, if you haven't discovered this already, there is a huge difference between patching a problem area and finding a real solution. In-house development is a considerable distraction, cost, risk, and takes a tremendous amount of time and resources. But soon, you find yourself in the software business. Is that what you want? Finally, there are a number of big box solutions, also known as ERP, for the services industry. However, there are a few things you may not be considering with a big box solution. How well does the big box solution match your needs? What if the big box solution doesn't do everything you need? What will you do then? Although the big box company can likely do certain special things for you, that is not their business model and is very low on their priority list. Getting the things you need may become a huge, constant hassle for you in terms of time, cost, and aggravation. Although the big box company is friendly and responsive now, will they be once they've got your account? All too often you'll find you either can't get anyone on the phone or the person on the phone doesn't know anything. As a result, support becomes a major issue. Stack360 is a big box solution. It is an ERP that's specifically designed for service-oriented organizations. As a result, Stack360 is a better fit for your current and future needs. Stack360 offers a single system that includes HR, project management, CRM, client management, time tracking, client invoicing, payroll data, applicant tracking, and a lot more, all integrated into a single system. No more exports and imports. These are the things that make Stack360 different from other big box solutions. First, Stack360 comes complete with functionality that is a better fit for your needs. There are no add-on modules or associated costs for those modules. Second, rather than an afterthought or something we do because we have to, meeting your particular needs is our primary business. We wrote the entire Stack360 in-house and designed it from the ground up to be more flexible than other systems. As a result, we have complete flexibility to do what you need. Third, when you call, a qualified person will answer the phone. Ultimately, you can speak directly with the software engineer working on your project. No middleman, no confusion, and no frustrations. Lastly, all of your employees may use the system without any per-user cost. Our company is built by software engineers who have experienced these difficulties firsthand. We know your pain. Stack360 was built to solve these problems in real-world situations. In fact, we use the Stack360 system to run our own business. We've seen the pains we described and know well the frustration of trying to find a good solution. Stack360 has been a good solution for many diverse service-oriented companies. We enjoy serving the needs of our clients. This is an example of one of the companies that use Stack360. They run a merchandising services business. When they first started using Stack360, they had around 100 employees. Today, 8 years later, they have grown to 1,000 employees and manage their entire business with the Stack360 system. Just to give you an idea of some of the unique features we've added for them, supervisors at remote sites can report their team's hours with their smartphones. Likewise, workers can check in with their mobile devices when they're going to work. Our system gets their coordinates and reports to management how long it will take them to get on the job site. This is just a small sample of the many unique features we've added for a particular business. We are happy recipients of their recommendation. We look forward to serving you as well. Thank you very much for taking the time to view this video. I hope it was helpful. I also hope we can be a part of your growth and success. So please get in touch with us today so that together we can explore the possibilities. You can reach us using our website's contact form or the email shown above. Thank you.